James Akers here, the tie guy. Today we're going to have a little fun with the tie that I just fell in love with at the Gucci store and Gucci website. I deal with a really awesome guy named Jante at Gucci in Charlotte. If you guys need anything at all from Gucci, I can hook you up with him. He takes amazing care of you. He'll ship everything right to your house. That's a little plug. Hey, Jante. But I saw this belt. I was actually going to the Gucci store to buy a new wallet. And I grew up loving snakes. Just I don't own a snake or pet snake or anything. Nothing weird like that. Nothing against people that have pet snakes or anything. I just love snakes. I think they're beautiful creatures, and I think they get a really bad rap. And so Gucci uses a snake in a lot of things. I actually have. I bought this Gucci watch, which has it's a two-tone with a snake on it, and I loved it. So I'm at the Gucci store to buy a wallet, and I saw their wallets with the snake on them. I was like, ooh, I love that. And then I saw this belt. So I don't know if you can see it or not, but I have this belt on. It's got a kingsnake across it. So then they told me they have a tie. So me being the tie guy, I had to have it. So I ended up getting this tie. It's a solid blue tie, but it has the kingsnake on it. And so it's designed so the snake comes out right below the knot. So I just bought this a couple weeks ago at the Gucci store. Let me get this tag off of here. We're going to tie it up here in just a minute. But I thought we'd have a little bit of fun today. So normally I wear more dressy belts and shoes. But today we're going to go with just a pair of loafers. All this is on my Instagram. It's a pair of Salvatore Ferragamo loafers. We're going with a Gucci snake belt and a Gucci snake tie. Now I do have a pair of Gucci shoes. These shoes here that actually match this belt. It's the exact same color scheme. But it just wouldn't look as good with the suit for me because I do more of a dress style. I actually think that they would look good if I was going to an event that was more fun. But for work, I'm going to go this way. So let's tie this tie up, see what it looks like. Gucci ties, real quick review. It's a little bit of a thicker silk, really nice soft tie. It's a thin tie. It's not very wide. Usually I go a little bit wider. But it is an absolutely beautiful tie, well made. I've got a couple Gucci ties, I absolutely love them. So I'm thinking because it's a little thicker silk but thinner width, probably going to need to be somewhere around this range here on the spot. Let's tie this up, see what it looks like. So we take the long part of the tie behind, up and through. Then we go around behind, wrap around behind, up and over. Now we check to make sure our triangles come together here, which it looks nice. Then we take it out and over, back in behind, through, and then we take it through this little pocket we've created, push it down through. Now we adjust the triangle, make sure everything's coming together good, and then we pull the tie up, and we're going to check our length. Let me make sure the knot's nice and tight. Check our length. The tip of the tie should be between the top and the bottom of the belt buckle, and it's perfect. Right now it's coming right there, right where we want it. So let's bring the color down, take a look at this, see what it looks like. I'm going to tie up or button these buttons real quick. Anytime I wear a button-down shirt, it's always the hardest part of getting ready. Okay, now let me get in here close where I can see. Tighten this knot up just a little bit. Yeah, it came together real nice. Where Gucci's a small, and I like how the snake's just right. It's right in below the knot. Where Gucci makes a thinner tie, it ties a really nice thick knot, or nice thin knot, tight knot, I should say. That makes it really, really easy to wear a button-down shirt with. So let's put this jacket on and see what it looks like. The look will be scrolling across the bottom of your screen there. Today we're pairing this with a charcoal gray Zegna suit. We have a red Brooks Brothers shirt, a blue Gucci tie with a snake, a blue Gucci belt, and a pair of black Salvatore Ferragamo loafers. And that is our look for today, and I am ready for work.